we started with first was getting the paint corrected. There was just kind of some hazing, a couple surface scratches here and there. Another thing we did is we took rock chip guards off the side that were faded and cracked. I know there's never really been Martini Racing Boxster, in racing or anything like that, so I just thought it'd be something different to try out. Also, we had like the headlights restored. The wheels were actually silver, the intake vents were silver, and the Boxster badging on the back was all in silver. And I just wanted to do a little more to change it up, so we've had those painted in high gloss black. One other thing we did do on the interior, I didn't do a whole lot just because the interior was in pretty good shape, but we did go with the upgraded stereo system that has the Apple CarPlay, the upgraded maps, and just that upgraded text, so that way we could take our 06 to another level for the customer.